Hello everyone and welcome to Library Treasure. Everyone has their certain favorite authors. Authors they like, they love their writing skills, the way they predict, the way they explain their stories, their characters. But can we recognize them by their pictures? Sometimes it happens that we know the authors by their name, by their books, but we cannot recognize them by their pictures. So in this video, today we will find out are all those authors that we mostly hear about them. We read their books and we will see how exactly they look. Arundhati Roy. Susanna Arundhati Roy is an Indian author best known for her novel The God of Small Things, which won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997. Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was an Indian author, lawyer, diplomat, journalist, and politician. His experience in 1947 partition of India inspired him to write Train to Pakistan in 1956. Rashipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy, commonly known as R.K. Narayan, was an Indian writer known for his work set Malgudi days in fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Bond has written hundreds of short stories, essays, novellas, and books for children. He was awarded the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Award. Rabindranath Tagore reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art. Author of Gitanjali, Gora, Jangan Man, Rabindranath Tagore received Nobel Prize in Literature. Salman Rushdie, full name Ahmad Salman Rushdie, is an Indian-born British-American novelist and essayist. His second novel, Midnight's Children, won the Booker Prize. Kiran Desai is an Indian author. Her novel The Inheritance of Laws won the 2006 Man Booker Prize and the National Book Critics Circle Fiction Award. In January 2015, The Economics Times listed her as one of 20's most influential global Indian women. Anita Desai, born Anita Mazumdar, is an Indian novelist. As a writer, she has been shortlisted for the Booker Prize 3 times. Amish Tripathi is an Indian author. He is known for his book series Shiva Trilogy and Ramchandra series. Preeti Shroy is an Indian author. She has been constantly nominated for the Forbes list of the 100 most influential celebrities in India since 2013. Ravandir Singh is an Indian software engineer and author of 9 novels. He adopted his own story into his first novel, I Too Had a Love Story.
Arvind Adick is an Indian writer and journalist. His debut novel, The White Tiger, won the 2008 Man Booker Prize. Shashi Tharoor, an Indian politician writer, has started writing at the age of 6 and till date. He has written 18 books based on Indian culture and history. Amitabh Ghosh is an Indian author of the Shadow Lines and winner of the 54th Jnanpith Award, India's highest literary honor. Amrita Pritam is one of the best known Punjabi authors and poets. She wrote fiction, non-fiction, poetry and essays. Many films were inspired by her novels. The best known being Pinjar, won National Film Award.